Assalamu alaikum students. Today our new chapter number 9 and exercise 9.1 we will solve. In this exercise there is a distance formula. Distance, as you know, that the distance between the 2 points, like there is A point and that is a B point. When a point on a plane, there are two coordinates. One coordinate x1, the second coordinate is y. X means that how much distance from x-axis and how much distance from the y-axis, because all coordinate system in a rectangular coordinate system like that. This is like that, x-axis or y-axis, right? According to formula, if it is in the third quadrant, then we will take the negative points. If we in the third quadrant, then we will take it the negative. But if we will not take in any coordinate system, then we will see that x1 and y1, b is equal to x2 and y2, and we have to find out the distance between a and b. Between a and b. I repeat that one. At this time I am not taking the point in the negative, so that's why it must be in the same quadrant, in the first quadrant, because both are positive in the first quadrant. So I will make it in the first quadrant. I will make in the first quadrant. So how to make first quadrant? Like this one and this one, now in the first quadrant, because first we start with the simple, then after that we will go in the difficult way. So this x express that one, how much distance from the x coordinate, mean this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the distance a, that point is x1. How much distance from the x coordinate, from y coordinate to this point is x1, and this distance is x2. If we will make like this distance, then this distance is x2. And y, that how much height, so that is the y, so which denoted by y1, and how much height from this point to this point denoted by y2. And we want that how much distance a and b. According to formula, we will write like AB square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the formula. It means that whenever the 2 points are given, it's up to you. Even you will think about this is x2 y2 or this is x1 y1, because when we will take the whole square, the negative sign will be removed. Now I will solve one question for you, then you will be clear. Like 9.1 question number 1. What is the question number 1? The value of a is given 9,2 and the value of b is given 7,2. Very simple. First of all, assume that a point is that x1 y1, and we assume that x2 y2. We have to find the distance AB. Formula. According to formula, what is that? X2 minus x1. First of all, we apply the formula bracket. X2 minus x1, in the first bracket you have to write x2 minus x1. This point indicate x2 and this point indicate x1. Mean 7 minus formula, so that is 9. In the second coordinate, this one, y2 minus y1. Where is y2? Good. The value of y2 is 2. The value of y2 is equal to 2, and the value of y1, what is that? 2. So 2 minus 2. Correct? Simplify. 7 minus 9 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2. 0 square, root will remain same. It will become 4, and the root of 4 is equal to 2. Correct? That is the distance of AB. Again, if we assume that, because the question is coming that if the BC or the CA like that, if we assume this is x1 y1, then what will happen? If we assume this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, So because it is not compulsory that you will always saying this x1 y1, then there is no change in the answer. I will prove that. I will solve it here like this. X2 x2 minus x1. If I assume that when this point is x1 y1, this point is x1 y1, and this point I assume that one x2 and y2, then what will happen? Is answer change are the same. Distance of AB, formula minus, and it is also formula minus x2 minus x1. What is x2 now? 9 minus 7. y2 minus y1 according to formula. Y2 what is that? 2 minus 2. So 9 minus 2. I'm doing one mistake. What is mistake? Good. Here I have to write 7. Good. You make me correct. 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7, what's answer? 2 square plus 0 square, and 2 square what is that? Square of 2 is equal to 4 plus 0, and 4 plus 0 4, that is 2. Or the distance of the both is same or not? Is it okay? So there is nothing any problem. Even you consider the first point x1 y1 or consider the first point x2 y2. Just keep one thing in your mind to solve the question. In the first pair, you have to put the first value of the both. If you are choosing this value first, then this value first 9 minus 7, the second value you will also choose that, this value first and this value second, right? If you are choosing this value first, 7 minus 9, then the y coordinate also choose 2 minus 2 in the same way. So we will solve one more question like that, then it will be clear. That is the first question, 9.1, first question, first part, and we will solve one more question of this one, not first part, that is A. It's written that A, first part is written like A. We will solve one more question from this, then we will solve question number 2. Hope all of you it clear. Now we will solve the next question. Okay, that is one more question. First of all, that is D part. First of all, we assume that this is x1 y1 and A, that is the A value, the value of B, we assume that x2 and y2. First we will write the formula, then after that we will put the value of x2 y2. The formula x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1, what is that? X2 minus x1, that is x2 and this is x1. So minus 4 and minus formula, and this minus will come square plus y2 minus y1 minus 3 and formula minus 2 root. What is here? 2 root. We will put it here, root 2 whole square, like this. Okay, you can simplify with the help of calculator, or you can simplify without help of calculator also. How to simplify? One more step we can simplify here. This minus into minus plus, minus 4 plus 4, then will become 0, and the square of 0 is also equal to 0. And how to remaining that no need to open this square, just taking negative sign common outside, taking negative sign common. So when you take the minus sign common, it will become minus 1 square, and inside 3 plus root 2 whole square. When you are taking common, any number is taking common, the same power will also come. Okay, so why I am doing like that one? Because minus 1 square is equal to 1, 0 square is equal to 0. So the final answer will remain, because 0 किसी पे भी add करो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, और when you multiply by 1 there is no change. I will write one more line, otherwise maybe that you will confuse. 0 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 root whole square. First we have to multiply. When we multiply by 1 there is no change. When we add 0, again no change. So what is the answer? 3 plus root 2 whole square, like that, and square cancel by square root. So 3 plus root 2 is our final answer. Is it clear? So question number 1, all parts are like that. If you are confused, then you have to use the calculator here also, then it will get the answer. If you can also use the calculator here and you will get the answer like that one. Okay, so after that we will solve the next question number 2. It is also very easy, simple. Okay, I will explain, then meanwhile you will write this one. Now students, we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 9.1. You were seeing what is that? This is only A and B. So according to statement of the question is that let P is the point on the x-axis with x coordinate A. It means that there are two axes. One is x-axis, as I told you before. This is x dash, mean negative value we are taking here. That is origin, that is y, and it's y dash. He said P is on the x-axis and x coordinate is A, 9. It means that this is a point P and its x coordinate A. X coordinate means x, value of x, and the value of y will become 0. So if x coordinate is equal to A and the value of A is equal to 9, so the value of P is equal to 9 and the value of y coordinate will become 0. On x-axis the value of y is equal to 0, and on the y-axis the value of x is equal to 0. Why I am writing here 9? Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, that is the value of 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x coordinate we take like that. The value of B, according to statement, the value of B, Q be the point on the y-axis. Where is that Q? On the y-axis, and with y coordinate is B. Its y coordinate is B. And what is the value of B? 7. Like there is a y coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He said at that the y coordinate is 7. So 6 and 7, this is the point Q, and y coordinate is the second, the first coordinate is the x. On y axis the value of x is equal to 0, x coordinate is 0, and the value of y is equal to 7, right? According to statement, what is the distance of PQ? What is the distance of PQ? We have to find the distance. PQ we can find there or here, up to you. PQ distance formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Where is x1, y1? This, good. This is like x1 and y1. Some students are doing mistake that they are thinking about this is x1, this is x2. This is not a x1 or x2. This is wrong. x1, y1. And this point, we assume that is the x2 and y2. Formula x2 minus x1. So what should write it here? 0 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is that y2 minus y1? What is the value of y2? y2 is equal to 7 and y1 is equal to 0. So what we have to write? 7 minus 0 whole square according to formula and its root. So we have to simplify. 0 minus 7 or minus 7 square is equal to 49 plus here 7 minus 0 7 and 7 square is again that is 49. 49 plus 49 it will become 98. What is that? 98. But I am doing one mistake. What is that? Yes, I said x2 minus x1. x2 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 9. But I wrote here 7. That is a mistake. So what should I write it here? 9. Thanks to make me correct that 9 into 9. So what should become here? 81. 81 and 81 plus 49. So what should the answer? 80 and plus 50, 130. Is 130 is the root of any number? So we can check with the help of calculator. Sometimes it's a perfect square. Root 130. Sorry, root, square root 130. No, it's not any perfect square. Any perfect square means that like there is a 16 threes are 48. If the 48 that is 16 is perfect square and the multiple factor of that, that is our final answer. 130 root. Other questions are same like that. The value of a and the value of b is given that you have to value of a is the value of x coordinate. So we assume it here. Value of b is the coordinate of the y. So 0, 7 like that. So in such a way we have to solve and the remaining part, and hope all of you understand. Okay, thank you very much.